Just taking a short break. I'm so tired now. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Jovi Jyoti and this is me, Jyoti Sharma. And welcome back to another video. So this video is, I know बहुत लोगों को पता चल गया what this video is. So this video is basically a haul video that I wanted to do out of all the like recent clothing stuff that I've purchased from Street Style store. So basically I shopped twice from Street Style store. तो जो मेरा first product arrival था, it arrived like बहुत जल्दी. इनफैक्ट लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई ऑर्डर दे टुक समवेयर अराउंड 15-20 days, and out of these two that I purchased, these two times, like one product came like full stuff came within a week maybe, but the second one they took ages, and literally in the second package my birthday dress was there, and I was so pissed that they arrived. But any which way मुझे उतना कुछ time नहीं मिला birthday में कुछ भी like to get dressed and all, because I was in Pondicherry, and with all those things I think अगर आता भी तो I wouldn't be able to wear it and all. But yeah, it's pretty nice, like some of the stuff, and some of the stuff I actually regret, but I didn't return because उनका return process was very bad, and it is bad actually. So the first thing I want to say about is, like, whoever wants quick products and quick stuff from there, don't purchase, because they are going to take somewhere around 15 to 20 days to deliver your product. So bilkul bhi, if you want a fast arrival, then just don't purchase it. Second thing, there will be, like, if you're ordering M, then your size will be L. If you're ordering L, your size will be M. मेरे साथ तो ये बहुत हुआ, but I know I couldn't return it because I was like, इतना कम amount के लिए now I'll have to return it. Actually, two things I replaced, but they said that उनके पास current size नहीं है, so they'll give me some voucher, some or the other stuff, and I didn't wanted the voucher because I know maybe I'll not use it, so my money will go wasted. So that's why what I did is I kept the product. I just got it altered. Some of the things, even after altering also, it's not suiting me. So I'll just show you about that. So choose wisely about your size. And the third thing is, like, some of the material are worth the price, but some of the stuff, oh my god, it's like the worst product. It will look good only in picture, like you can get dressed, you can click pictures in your room, make a video out of it, but I think you cannot wear outside. I mean, that's what I feel. So yeah, let's just review all of the stuff one by one. Okay, so the first collection that I shopped from, like, they have different segments, okay, where like 999 ka 3 products you can get, or 1200 ka 3 products you can get, and around 1100 or 1200 ka 5 products you can get. So I chose the 1100 5 products. I think I just wanted to try that, like whether it's showing so fancy and cheap kind of, so whether it is or not. So that's why I shopped from that, and I shopped like around full one set, like abhi 1100 agar pay kiya usme 5 products. So out of those 5 products that I chose, like, some were actually, in fact, almost all the things that I ordered I liked, but literally telling you, the product size came like bizarre. जितना मैंने वहां स्पेंड किया पैसा देके, उतना मुझे ऑल्टर कराने में पैसे लगे. So that's why, like, I'll suggest you, whoever is purchasing, please choose the size wisely. I will tell you, like, जो मैंने order किया है, how and what the size I have ordered. So accordingly, if you can figure out what and what not to order. So yeah, let me just show you one by one how and what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got in that 5 combo wala zone was this tank top kind of vest. So actually the same thing I also seen in H&M and all, but I am not somebody who's gonna spend like 1000 rupees or so in just one single piece, because I know I'm not gonna wear it so much. So I thought this was the best deal. Let's just choose it. So actually I got this, and those who follow me on Instagram, you can check it out. I actually wore this long back, like I put it on a nice, like, I wore a wired bra over that, I wore that, and then I wore like an open shirt, and it was looking pretty cool. I actually made a video out of it also. So the outfit was looking pretty cool. So agar वैसे देखा जाए तो it's gonna cost me somewhere around 200 change something. So for 200 change, actually this was a good to go product. So like choice wise, I'll give 4 star out of 5 for this product. But the only thing I deducted 1 point was for the material. They could have given a material a bit thoda sa thick, because material is like very sheer. Like, so I wore actually a black bra inside it, and I felt ki it was visible, so I should have wore something beige or something like that, but it was pretty nice. So if you want to purchase any of these from their collection, because I think they have white, black, neon green, neon orange, I don't know, अभी pink wing भी आ गया है शायद, so you can choose. So if you want to purchase this or thinking of purchasing this will be a good to go. So it's a thumbs up for this product. The second thing that I got is this crop top. Like, it's a black crop top with full sleeves. Actually मुझे ऐसा लगा था जब ये आया था कि टॉप से ज्यादा बड़ा इसका स्लीव्स है, बट एक्चुअली इट फिट्स सो वेल. आई मीन, बट द ओनली थिंग इज इसका मटेरियल कुछ ज्यादा ही थिक है. मतलब समर में अगर जो लोग रह रहे हैं दिल्ली वैली के साइड, उनके लिए आई थिंक इट विल बी टफ टू वेयर इट इन समर, बिकॉज ये थोड़ा वुलनी टाइप का इसका मटेरियल मुझे ऐसा लगा. लाइक not every day you can wear because it's too hot out there. So this was the second piece that I got, and literally I love this vibe because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि this is one of the products में पैसा वसूल है. Like, अगर मैंने 200 something spend किया है, so it's worth it, and I can wear it. I can wear office in a high waist jeans or a pant or something like that, and like you can go. And in fact the fit is also so nice of it. Like, you will love it the way it's fit, and like ना ही बहुत छोटा है ना ही बहुत बड़ा है, but still it's so good and like worth it. So for me it will be somewhere around 4.5 star for this product. Half point, as I said, it's like very thick material, so for that I'm just deducting the half star. Remaining, it's good. And one more thing, the white tank top that I got it in M size. So if you are in the range of 34, 36, like that, you can purchase that M size. It will perfect fit for you. Like, if you like bit loose like me, then you can get that. Otherwise, like somebody who like थोड़ा skinny and all, तो वो थोड़ा एक size कम ले सकते हैं, but according to me that was better. And then the black one was L size, because actually दो range था जब मैंने लिया था, small और medium के लिए one size and L and XL के लिए one size. So I preferred L because थोड़ा baggy मुझे ज्यादा चाहिए था. That's why I preferred that. So yeah, and the third thing that I got is this top. Actually it's like tie waist kind of a top. So basically it's a freaking awesome top. So if you can see, I actually wore this. I know in picture it does not look good, but literally this top is like go to. I mean, I love the dress, I like material, I love the flory print of that, giving all summery vibe. And in fact the back tie on it, like where you can tie it in the back, so that is actually good to go. Like, you can fit it. Now the only thing is, I thought M will be small for me, so I got L. When I got L, it was too large and shoulders were not, so isko maine fitting karaya and fitting kara ke then it fits me well. But yeah, its neck is like too deep, so wear a perfect kind of a bra for that. Otherwise it might go a bit different. But yeah, otherwise it's freaking good. And if you're looking for that, go for this top. I mean, this top is 5 out of 5. But choose as I said, choose the size accordingly. So 34, 36, as I said, choose M, because I chose L. I'm regretting it. I didn't want it to return it because at that time इसका size नहीं था. So you better choose M if you are looking for that. Now the next piece that I got in this 111 of 100, हाँ, like 1100 or 1200 वाले set में, was this lilac top. So basically this, out of everything that I purchased, this was my favorite. Why? Because ये जो color है ना, I have a thing for this color. I mean, like बहुत simple, sober and calm सा color लगता है. So I thought, let's just buy it. इसमें actually I was about to buy a tank top, then I thought already I got one, so let's just get a top so that I can wear it normally, jeans or office भी थोड़ा सा पहन के जा सकते हैं. अगर little bit of deep neck bhi hai to be not an issue with that. So I got it and I got L size of it. Okay, and oh my god, it was like full bulky. His shoulders were so bad. I mean, I didn't liked it at all. Many literally out of all the 5 products that I got in this range, 3 I returned. Then I realized out of all the 3 they have no size, like other size for that, and I was like, waste. I don't want the coupon, so that's why I didn't return and I kept it. I altered it also. Even though I have altered it, the size, it's like very bad. I don't know, I think I'll have to get it altered again near the shoulders because it's like too swingy. It'll just swing like that, and in fact the neck is also too deep, so like if I'm going out in a casual brunch also something, I won't be able to wear it because I'm somebody who gets conscious. I want the like loose and all this, so sometimes it's okay, but not every time. I can just want to see all those stuff and I want to go out. So yeah, so I think it's waste of money. Again, it's not waste of money, it was my dumb brain that chose L size instead of M. So again, choose size wisely. So definitely it was a nice product, but size didn't came good, so I'm just giving 3. I'm deducting all the price, like 2 stars for my stupidity only, but still, yeah, I'll just deduct that, like 3, only 3. And the last top of this whole like package was this that I'm wearing. So actually this was the only top that I preferred keeping it because something like this it looked when it came. So actually it was like bit loose, bulky, the same time with the string, so it is sexy. So I was like, just keep it. Even on a high waist jeans or something, I can wear it just like this top, wear a tube bra inside it, nobody's gonna see anything, and it's like it was so nice and comfy. So literally it's like my favorite top out of thing, and it fits so well. The material is also worth it. So if you're choosing any out of this in from there, because they have multiple colors, print and all, I chose the solid because I wanted to wear it on blue denim or something like that. That's why I chose this. So it's a good to go top. So if you're looking for something like just loose, and I chose I think M size in this, L size actually. You can choose M अगर थोड़ा skinny चाहिए, but मुझे तो बड़ा पसंद आया है because it's L, it's loose, and it only has string, so it's sexy also. So yeah, it's good to go. This top is just thumbs up, 5 out of 5 for me. And now the second range of product that why am I saying product? The second range of stuff that I got is from their range of like 3, you can buy 3 clothing stuff from 1200 range. So in that I got a skirt, I got a top, and I got a dress, and I don't know what to say. Out of one of that clothing stuff was gonna be my birthday dress, and still it arrived so late. I mean, I was like, ठीक है रख लेते, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, रिटर्न नहीं करना था. But then literally अगर ये थोड़ा और महंगा होता, I would have definitely returned it because the material is like so cheap, so freaking cheap. I mean, I didn't like it. Okay, so the first top from that 1200 range was this top that I got. I know, okay, in picture it looked heavenly. In fact, when it arrived also, I was like, wow, it looks so good, yay. But literally when I wore it, first of all, the fit was so bad. And इसका जो satin का material है, I cannot actually show you guys. You won't be able to see. If you can see the satin material, see, there is like इसके जो कपड़े खसक जाते हैं ना, when thread separates, it's that kind of a thing, and it is only like around 300 or something. I didn't return, so I'm like, let's just wear it एक दो बार पहन के, click picture and done for it, literally. But it was about to be my birthday top. Like I ordered one more skirt out of it, so like skirt and top, I was about to get dressed and get ready. Thank God it didn't arrive at that time, because अगर ये आता और मैं नहीं पहन पाती, I would have cried like anything. So yeah, I mean, this top is nice actually if you're getting a nice fit, well and good. Otherwise just don't buy it. Invest some more money and get it from a good place जहाँ पे तुम पहन के पहले try कर सकते हो. Otherwise मत लो. Like 2 stars I'll give for this product because fit is very bad, material is pathetic, like so pathetic that I will not buy it. इसके buttons are like, I'll just show you. if you can see the buttons. If you can see, buttons are also like so bad. I'm like, nah, it's a bad product. Don't. And the second thing from this 1200 by 3 products in 1200 range was this skirt. So basically it's a front slit skirt. Okay, so it looked both top and skirt looked something like this. Actually the skirt is very good, but again I chose my waist size. It was around 34 and sahi size choose करने के बाद भी literally fit didn't came so like nice जितना मैंने imagine किया था अपने दिमाग में. It was so bad, but again I'm like, I don't want to return it. Somehow I'll fit it and I'll wear it, this that and all, and I didn't return it. So that's why skirt is nice. Skirt का material is worth it. It's not like so bad. जैसा मतलब मैंने shimmery kind of इसका material expect किया था. It's the same material. Nothing to get like disappointed about. At least I was not. But only thing was the fit, because the waist fit that was not coming perfectly. So yeah, for that I'll deduct 1 star out of it, 1 point. Otherwise it's 4 out of 5 points. So if you're if you're looking out, checking out the Street Style store page, and you want to buy this front slit skirt, you can go for it. But again, if you're 34, buy M. Buy M, a perfect fit. Because मैंने 34 में L किया था, it was showing L only for 34 and still it didn't came good. So that's why just don't. Choose the size wisely. Please don't do it like me. Otherwise you'll regret it. Literally, for the first time I'm like, ठीक है, I'll buy it other time. That's why I didn't return it. Otherwise I would have returned it too. And the last stuff that I got in this range, and it's the masterpiece of among all the street style this time shopping that I did, and that is this dress. I know it's look heavenly in the picture, and trust me, it looks so gorgeous. Even when I know it's crushed, when it arrived only it was crushed. मैंने heavy रखा हुआ है इसको just, but I wore it and it was so nice. I mean, I loved it. Trust me, the fit is so good for this, like front back. There is a side zip on this, and it looks so good. मतलब I can wear it like. If I have to go out on a date, I'll wear it. The only thing is like it has a deep neck, so you need to choose your bra very wisely. Or somebody who does not like deep neck, you can just give a nice stitch a bit off so that it will be comfortable for you. Otherwise, if you're somebody who can flaunt it, just go, girl. You can do it. I mean, if you're wearing a dress and you're not flaunting it, what's the use? Any which way, this is like the best product. I don't know. I'm just waiting for the perfect time where I can wear this dress. I can go out. I have even styled my whole thing, in this dress. It's so gorgeous. So if you want to buy this nice satiny blue dress, just go for it. It's 5 out of 5. The only thing is, only cloth I purchased from Street Style store this time whose fit was perfect was this dress. I got it in M size and it was perfect fit. So if you want to purchase this blue dress, and if you are somebody of my size, like a curvy body, and so you can go for M size. M will be a perfect fit for you. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, because genuinely I wanted to come out here and give you the feedback that how the products are, because picture mein actually they look freaking good. I mean, freaking awesome. You'll be like, oh, itna cheap hai, le lena chahiye. But literally, reality check I wanted to give that, yeah, though products look good out there, it's not like material or uska genuine hoga. So that's why I just wanted to come and say the same thing. Some products are good, worthwhile, like this top, the dress, and the black top. But again, some of the things might not be, because थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ पिक्चर कुछ और होगा, ऐसे कुछ और होगा. So whenever you are purchasing, analyze करो, खुद देखो whether you want to invest there or not, then only purchases. Otherwise, if you want to give it a try, just go, girl, give it a try. I mean, not much costly. क्योंकि बहुत ऐसे लोगों को मैंने देखा है buying same product from some nice store and they'll be paying like 1,000 rupees for one piece and one dress or one top, and they'll be like, yeah, that's okay. So yeah, तो फिर भी बहुत cheap है. So you can give it a try. And overall, the only problem is they should दे शुड फास्टन अप देयर डिलीवरी प्रोडक्ट का जो टाइम ड्यूरेशन है वो फास्टन अप करना चाहिए. रिमेनिंग बजट इज वेरी नाइस एंड डेफिनेटली आई विल शॉप, बट अभी नॉट एनी टाइम सून. अभी स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर का हो गया है. एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन लाइक व्हाट आर द शॉपिंग, कहाँ सही यू गाइज आर शॉपिंग, वेर यू वांट मी टू ट्राई ड्रेसेस और tops or anything from, so that I can come out here and I can give you reviews that whether it's good to go or not, because I shop a lot these days and not from here and there, like all over the place. So do let me know if there is particular site or place or app where you want to see the haul from. I'll do that. And yeah, that's it for video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, don't forget to press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it. I know you will not any which way, so whoever want to subscribe it, please go subscribe it. And yeah, thank you for watching the video if you have watched it till end, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नई चीजों के साथ. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and yeah, now COVID is not that you can go out chill, but take care of yourself and your family.